Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, wherever you are watching this content. The bird you are looking at is called the shoebill stork. The stork is stork. The shoebill stork. That's the name of the bird. It's also known as the whale-headed stork or shoe-billed, so you can still call it shoe-billed stork. So it's a unique bird and it is native to Central and Eastern Africa. So there are some fascinating facts and amazing facts about the bird. So it's named for its massive shoe-shaped bill. So its massive bill looks like shape, which is 7 to 9 inches long. It is grayish and slightly hooked. So the adults are like 3.5 to 5 feet tall and they weigh like 9 to 15 pounds with a wingspan of 7.5 to 8.5 feet. They have slate gray plumage. They have long legs and prehistoric look. You can find them in swamps, marshes, and wetlands. So they are carnivorous. They are very carnivorous. They feed on fish, especially the lungfish. So they feed on amphibians too, on small reptiles and occasionally small mammals or even birds. So they use their bill to scoop prey from shallow water or mud. So they are solitary and secretive, so often standing motionless for long periods to ambush prey. So they are vulnerable. Their population is estimated to about 5,000 to 8,000 due to habitat loss, poaching, and disturbance. And they are monogamous. They can also live to like 35 to 50 years in the wild. They are not really dangerous. They even ignore human. They run away from human whenever they encounter with human. They are not dangerous, they are harmless. Watch out for another amazing and fascinating animal content.